Hi, my name is Daniel. My batch number is BLE M5BF. My student ID is BLE 0526572303. Today I want to present about investigation of residential burglary case in Bandar, Sungai, Kajang. The introduction is definition: burglary refer to an unlawful entry into a building with the intention of committing theft and another crime. A proper investigation is needed to identify offender and recover stolen property. And the case location is Bandar, Sungai, Kajang, and the item house has broken into while the family is away. Estimate loss RM 360,000. Stolen items have jewelry, showy, and RI motorcycle helmet, Yamaha RIZ and Yamaha LC 135 V8 motorcycle. Investigation important. Protect crime scenes evidence and identify suspect through forensic technique. Lastly is ensure evidence is acceptable in court. Example: investigated examine fingerprint, CCTV footage, and two marks left by offender to reconstruct how the burglary happened. And the step 1 is approach intention assessment. Purpose: to understand the situation before starting the investigation. In the investigation action is check whether the area is safe, observe its possible entry and access point, gather initiation information from victim and first resident and first response. Evidence of theft, broken lock or window, footprint around the scenes, tag mark near the driveway. The example is investigated inspect the rear storeroom where the motorcycle was kept to determine how the offender entered the house and escaped. Step 2 is secure and protect the crime scenes. The purpose is prevent evidence contamination or damage. The action taken is set up the crime scenes perimeter and control access to authorized personnel only. Use protective equipment such as glove and shoe cover. The example is police secure the victim house to protect fingerprint found and door and window. Step 3 is plan a development and team communication. The purpose is ensure all investigation activities are organized, and investigation team should be investigating officer like manage the case, and forensic team is collect the evidence, and the photographer has to document the scenes. And lastly is digital team analyze CCTV footage. The example is the forensic team focus on collecting fingerprint while another team search for CCTV recording for nearby house. Step 4 is the document the crime scenes. Purpose: create a permanent record of the scenes. The method is photography, video recording, crime scene sketches, and written note. For the example is investigator photographer the damaged door before collecting evidence to show the original condition of the crime scenes. Step 5 is interview the victim. The purpose is obtain the information about the burglary and the information collected is time the house was empty, description of stolen item, possible suspect, and the security system available. The example is the item provide motorcycle registration number and jewelry detail to help police track the stolen property. And step 6 is search and collect evidence like fingerprint, DNA, footwear inspection, tool mark, or CCTV recording. For example, is a fingerprint found on a window might be compared the police database to identify the offender. Lastly, the conclusion. A burglary investigation requires a systematic process. Proper evidence collecting help identify offender. And lastly is maintaining evidence integrity, strength, and case in court. Through effective investigation technique, police can recover stolen property and bring offender to justice.